Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that exactly how you can share your Spotify Wrapped 2022. So if you cannot find this option, all you need is just click on the search button over here and then you would be able to see 2022 Wrapped over here. But if you cannot see over here, just search Wrapped. Now you can see that 2022 Wrapped is over here. So just click on this and here is your 2022 Wrapped. So if you want to share this wrap on any social media platform or with someone, so all you need is just click on the share button at the very top end. Now you can share it with someone on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook, or any other social media platform. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.